All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to take a look at this wall storage cabinet. It does come with a full extensive manual here that's going to walk you through all of the setups. I'm going to take everything out of the box so you guys can see everything that comes with this case. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so you get all of the tools that you're going to need to assemble this. Rings, washers, even some gloves. So let's get right to it. Let's put this guy together. Okay, guys, so the first section you're going to grab is going to be your A section, which is this section right here. Look for these little slots. I'm just going to take that like so. Open this guy up. And you're going to drop that into slot A. Okay, so the next sections you're going to connect is going to be your C and your L. And these have little cutout slots right here. You're just going to kind of wrap that around. Drop the lip in. And at this point, you're going to start screwing everything together. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is connect the bottom panel. Okay, so one of the final sections is going to be this panel right here, which is your base panel, and that just fits in here like so. And then you're going to screw that guy down as well. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is going to be deciding how high you want your shelf to be. Here are your little shelf hardware, and these just clip on. These are just going to clip on inside. And that's what you're going to use to secure your shelf inside. Let's get it. All right, guys, so here's our final component. This is our shelf. We're just going to fit this guy in there. All right. So now we have our final shelf in. That might be a little high for some people, but it is completely adjustable. So once you have all that done, you still have your wall mounting hardware that comes with it, and it does come with a set of keys as well, so that you can keep everything really secure in this guy. All right, guys, so that's about it, the quick installation for putting together this little cabinet. So hopefully this video has been helpful, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Until then, stay safe, peace. Rome Knows Tech is out.